What's going on, everybody? This is Joyce here, and in today's video I'll be going through the ClickFunnels affiliate program for 2022. This video is for all those marketers and affiliates who are interested in promoting ClickFunnels and make money with it. So watch this video till the end because I will go through what is the ClickFunnels affiliate program, how to join ClickFunnels affiliate program, the ClickFunnels commission plans, who to promote to, and I will also share one secret tip on how you can start promoting ClickFunnels as from today. So guys, without any further ado, let's get into what is the ClickFunnels affiliate program. This affiliate program set up by ClickFunnels is to pay any user an incentive, aka an affiliate commission, for bringing in more users to use ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a software as a service product that helps entrepreneurs build funnels for their business. This software has helped many entrepreneurs achieve 7 figures online, that is, has helped them make their $1 million, and 8 figures online, meaning $10 million, to 25 million, 50 million, and 100 million online. In short, ClickFunnels is an amazing software proven to work for online entrepreneurs to make money, save time, and save effort in their life and business. First, you can actually join the affiliate program as a non-ClickFunnels user, but ClickFunnels is really strict in accepting non-ClickFunnels users as affiliates. So you will have to prove to them that you have a good knowledge in affiliate marketing, and you will drive high converting traffic to them. Then they will consider if you can be their affiliate or not. The second way is to obviously become a user for ClickFunnels. And as you can see, I'm already a ClickFunnels user, all right? And once you become a ClickFunnels user, you're automatically registered as their affiliate. All right, and this is what my affiliate dashboard for ClickFunnels looks like. Normally, ClickFunnels has two plans for users: the basic plan, which is $97 per month, and the platinum plan, which is $297 per month. Both have 14 days free trial. But if you want to get 30 days of free trial plus other various bonuses to start and grow your business with ClickFunnels, I have left a link for you below that you can use to become a ClickFunnels user with 1 full month of free trial, as well as become their affiliate and start promoting this software as a service product and make money with it. Now, let's have a look at how ClickFunnels pays their affiliates. All right, there are actually 3 tiers of affiliate plans, and we will call them tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. All affiliates start at the tier 1 plan. All right, here they get 20% of affiliate commission on the software itself, meaning if they refer someone to the $97 plan, they will get $19.40 per month. And if it's a platinum plan, they will get $59.40 per month. Also, on all other products that ClickFunnels has, they will be getting 40% affiliate commissions. Now, you only make 20% on software sale until you are able to make $1,000 in 30 days. Once you reach that goal, you will be eligible to get 30% of affiliate commission on the software and 40% affiliate commission on all other products. Now, once you manage to bring in 40 ClickFunnels active members as an affiliate, you will be eligible to make 40% affiliate commission on the ClickFunnels software and 40% on other products, I mean. Now, when you're starting as a tier 1 affiliate, you will be eligible to promote only 5 products. And they are the 3 best selling books, which is Dotcom Secrets, Expert Secrets, and Traffic Secrets. And like I said, you will be getting 40% of affiliate commissions on all the products. And the 2 products remaining are the 1 Funnel Away Challenge and a 30-day summit. Now, once someone registers through the 1 Funnel Away Challenge or the 30-day summit through you, you will be eligible to get 100% affiliate commission, and that's a full $100. I know that the 100% affiliate commissions is available for all tiers. Now, why choose to promote ClickFunnels? Well, ClickFunnels is a recurring product, meaning whenever you refer someone to this software, you will be paid monthly recurring income as long as a said person keeps using the software. And guys, if as an affiliate you bring in 100 active users, you will become eligible to buy any car of your choice. And this is actually a contest for affiliates known as the Dream Car Winner. And ClickFunnels pays it for you by giving you $500 every month. And if you bring in 100 more active users, that is 200 active users in total, you get $1,000 every month. Also guys, ClickFunnels has multitude of other products other than what I talked about for the tier 1 affiliates. An example is the Copywriting Secrets and their high ticket product, the Funnel Script. Also guys, you have other packages of ClickFunnels. The user can actually choose to pay for a yearly plan instead of a monthly plan, and that means more affiliate commissions for you. So ClickFunnels is an amazing software as well as has amazing back-end products. Now, let's have a look at the advantages of promoting ClickFunnels. Okay, first advantage is that you grow better as a marketer promoting its software. In fact, ClickFunnels has a training called the Affiliate Bootcamp training. This training is actually free. It consists of all the dream call winners and super affiliates explaining what would they do if they have to survive only on affiliate commissions. I have left a link for the Affiliate Bootcamp training below, so you should get it if you want to be good at affiliate marketing. Second advantage is you get all the promotional materials you need, such as promotional email templates, banners, and also different links to your offer. Third advantage is the sticky cookie. Sticky cookies are what allow affiliates to receive passive income. So whenever someone buys from you on ClickFunnels, a cookie is attached to them, and any product that they buy from ClickFunnels in the future, it will bring you passive income. Now, the issue with the cookie system of ClickFunnels is that it only lasts for 45 days of the last purchase, meaning if you buy from my affiliate link, you will be cookied to me for 45 days only. And if ever you buy something else on ClickFunnels during the 45-day period, the 45-day cookies is restarted. The fourth advantage is that ClickFunnels is not industry specific, meaning this software is used for all types of industry you can think of. Because if someone is selling something online, they will need a sales funnel, hence ClickFunnels. If someone is generating leads, they will need an opt-in funnel, hence ClickFunnels. If someone is hosting a webinar, they will need a webinar funnel, hence ClickFunnels. And the list goes on, guys. So let me answer who is ClickFunnels for and who you can market ClickFunnels to. So ClickFunnels is for whoever who wants to sell something online. And they are marketers, and by marketers, I mean those who are a fan of selling on ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, or their own products on their own websites. Because they need a system that will sell and deliver their products without any hassles. And guys, don't forget affiliates are marketers too. So any affiliates who want to grow their online businesses will need ClickFunnels. Next are small businesses such as brick and mortar businesses, dentists, chiropractor, law firms, restaurant owners, and so on. They all need to generate leads to survive. So they will make use of lead funnels in ClickFunnels. In fact, you can create a lead funnel for them and share it with them. And when they use the funnel you send them and create an account, they automatically become users through your affiliate link. Now, the most important question, how and when does ClickFunnels pay you? For ClickFunnels to pay you, you have to register a TPT account, and ClickFunnels will pay you through PayPal and bank transfer. Maybe they will include crypto in the future, I don't know. But they pay you on the 1st and 15th of each month. Now, to get your payment, you have to wait 30 days after someone pays, because ClickFunnels has a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if someone joins the 14-day trial and pays, the total amount of time to get your payment through that referral is 45 days, and you have to wait when it's either the 1st or the 15th. And of course, you won't be paid if someone cancels the trial. Now, if I have to recommend you on how to proceed to promote ClickFunnels as an affiliate, of course, I would tell you to create content such as blog posts, review videos, or videos providing values like this one, or answering frequently asked questions about ClickFunnels, and directing people who are already using other software who are not satisfied to ClickFunnels. Once they see the ease and power of ClickFunnels, they will definitely start using the software. And as an affiliate, the best you can do is offer support like email support or messenger support, as well as some templates that you can give. Now, even though ClickFunnels is providing a 30-day free trial where you are getting everything an entrepreneur needs, as well as a free affiliate bootcamp training, which by the way, I left the links below, I have created a course on affiliate marketing that gives any affiliates the clarity they need on affiliate marketing. And of course, I share my templates with those who sign up through my ClickFunnels link. So if you want clarity in affiliate marketing, then access my free course. It's a 40-minute watch plus some clarity workout, and get access to the 30-day free trial of ClickFunnels and get my templates so that you can start promoting to people I mentioned and start making money with it. As always, all of the mentioned links are below this video, and I hope you got value here, guys. And if you have any questions, make sure to actually ask me in the comments below. And also make sure to smash that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that the next time I upload a video that will help you make money, save time, and save effort in your life and business, you will be notified. This is Joyce signing out. Take care. Bye-bye.